So let's say you've got a Chevy Cruze and you've got a lid, a compartment on top of the dash that's busted, broken, won't open, won't close, whatever the case might be, and you want to replace it with something else. So they do make these grill inserts. So for some cars they actually have speakers that are back in there, so you can just get these individually. So I'll show you the difference on the two, because these typically fail. You know, why put them back in if they're going to fail again? But some people just like the compartments. So pretty easy to take out. Just get a little pick tool, pop that out, turn the light on, and then right down here there's two 7mm screws that I've already loosened to make this quicker for you, but just undo the 7mm screws. So after the screws are out, you can give it just a little tug, see if you'll get any movement on it. Okay, so that side came a little bit loose, and then you're going to use one of your plastic trim tools to go in here and get down below it on both sides and get it to pop out. But you really need two hands, so just know that you wiggle this guy in there and it'll start to come loose, and then you work your way around to the other side and it'll pop up like that, and then just start to pull on a little bit and up, and it'll come right out. It's just got some of these tabs in the back that slide in there, so you can see where a speaker would go if this model had that, but the clips on the back of this are the same as the other ones. So this guy will just push and snap into there, and then you've got a grill cover, and you don't have to worry about that annoying broken compartment that's in there. So there you go. Hope it helped you out. Thanks.